Hey guys, I'm back here again at Gaswerks Garage, and Gasper has an open house going on today with some really spectacular things inside and out. And as you can see, we've got a great turnout today. Porsches from all vintages. There are long hoods, 956s, and contemporary Porsches. Also 914s. More on that one in just a little bit. But these are truly special. The factory made 14 914-6 GTs, and these are two engines of the 14. Side by side, in the same place, incredibly rare. Gasper is a wizard in working on these engines, and he's been tasked with bringing them back and restoring them. And you can see he does beautiful work. Everything has been restored to the highest level. These are works of art. They're so beautiful, I'm just going to shut up and look at them for a little bit. And check out the carbs and the linkages here. Let's go in for a closer look. They're just beautiful and pristine. You can tell they're just raring to go. They look fast, even just sitting here on the engine stand. One thing you can always count on with the trip to Gaswerks is seeing a lot of cool cars, from Cobras to Porsches and everything in between. And everything's just so pristine and so clean. Like this car here, and there's no dirt anywhere. Makes you wonder whether or not there's even oil in this car. Because you know what they say is you can tell these cars have oil when they leak, and when they don't leak, they're out. Look at that. I mean, you almost want to have a lift just so that you can enjoy that all day long. Just beautiful. And here's a really special car. It's a 1990 BMW M3 that's been completely redone. I mean, this looks like it just came off the showroom floor. Look at the detail in the engine bay. And this thing will scream and handle amazing. If I wasn't a 914 nut, this might be where I'd go. And there's another engine populating the shop and adding to the artwork. All right, let's get back to 914s. And this one belongs to my friend Rory.
1970 914-6. I've owned it since 1984. It's blood orange with a tan interior. I rebuilt the engine in 2010. I tell you, it has a couple little high performance features: the louvered deck lid, a sport muffler, magnesium Minute wheels, and an S distributor to perk up the engine a little bit. So it's a nice running car, and I was lucky enough to buy it early when they weren't very expensive cars, and I have a lifelong thing, or for 40 years with 914-6s. I've always loved them.
All right, if you're ever in New Jersey and you want to get a real Porsche experience, come by Gaswerks Garage and say hi to Gasper. Amazing guy and an amazing place.